Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video guys, I will be showing you how you can remove your friends on Monopoly Go. The process is very quick and easy, so let's get right into it. To access your friends list, as you can see in the bottom right corner, there is a friends button, and what you want to do is click on that button first guys. When you actually click it, here you can see any requests you have or any friend recommendations you have. In the middle square, you can see the timeline of when somebody became your friend, when somebody joined from your friends on Facebook, for example, and you can see whatever happened to you while you were offline. Now, when we actually go to the leaderboard, this is the main section of your friends tab, guys. As you can see, you have a global, a locals, and a friends tab, and by clicking on friends, by default, it should be on friends, you will see your actual friend group, your friend list. To actually delete somebody from your friends, for example, let's say Katie, what you want to do is click on the person you want to remove, and this big red remove button will appear, guys. To actually remove your friend, you want to click on that button, and this will pop up. If you're sure you want to remove them, you'll click remove, and they'll be gone from your friends list, guys. I do not want to remove Katie as a friend, so I will click on cancel, but in essence, that is how you do it. As I've said, it's quick and simple, and I hope I've helped you with this video, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial video. Goodbye.